So welcome friends, welcome to our channel Technical Mighty, and today I again represent you a very important tutorial. So actually today I show you that how you can see your saved Wi-Fi password. So actually friends, this is not any Wi-Fi hacking tutorial or any other thing. So actually I just show you that if you previously connected your laptop or computer to any others Wi-Fi networks or your home Wi-Fi network or your neighbor's Wi-Fi network, and by chance you forget the Wi-Fi password, then how you can retrieve that password and again reconnect to your laptop or computer. So okay friends, so actually friends, and this is one of the most important tutorial video on my channel. So as you can see that I make this video on 4 4:15 p.m. and actually friends, this is a very hot weather, so in this weather I decided to make a video. So okay, so no more talk, so let's see. And previously I again show you that this is not any Wi-Fi hacking tutorial. This is the just sole purpose of this video to just retrieve your Wi-Fi password. So okay friends, so now I will show you that. And another thing is I don't know this method is, suppose you watch this video after 4 or 5 years, so I did not guarantee you that on that time this video is work or not. So okay, so because I it is a rumored that in Windows, Microsoft very recent removed this control panel. Okay, so very recently Microsoft remove, that means in next 8 to 10 months Microsoft remove this control panel from Windows 10, and after that they introduce some kind of okay. So then that time I make a also this kind of same topic, I make another video on this topic. So okay, so that is different matter. So now let's see that how you can, I guarantee you the basics are same. So that means how you can retrieve. Actually friends, whenever you connect your laptop or computer to a any Wi-Fi network, on that time your Windows 10 laptop or computer is so smart and they saved this password on Windows registry. So if you don't have any idea that what a Windows registry is, then okay, so that is I make a separate video on that, and how you can um, how you can think that about what is Windows registry. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So how you can, suppose this is TP-Link E896. Okay, so this is my home Wi-Fi password and I forget the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so and another friends come to my house and tell me, hey, give me your Wi-Fi password, I want to connect my laptop to your Wi-Fi network. So I accidentally forget the password because I did not remember all the things. So now how to retrieve? So once your Wi-Fi is connected to your computer laptop, then how you can recover? So just go to the control panel. So if you did not find this control panel option in desktop, because there is some tricky option that you have to go to the display settings and make sure that you check the control panel which is shown in the desktop. So okay, so if you don't find this, just type from here is control panel. Okay, and just click on that. Okay, so just I double click on the control panel, and after that you can just select all control panel icons, and from here you can see network and sharing center. This is pretty much easy. So here you can, and after that go to the change adapter settings. You can see that all your wireless connection or wired connection or broadband connection will be listed here, and the main key of the purpose. Okay, so the main key step of this is you have to find, so you have to connect your Wi-Fi network at that time. So whenever you want to retrieve your Wi-Fi password, you must be connected your this your network at that time. Suppose I want to retrieve the password this of TP-Link, so that's why I connected my TP-Link to my Windows 10 computer. So first you have to do is just right click on there, just click on there, just give a single click, and after that select wireless properties and select security. And this is what type of security is associated with, you can see this is WPA2, which is encryption. Just select show characters, and as you can see this is my Wi-Fi password, AMERUN. Okay friends, I invited you to my house, and if you a thief or any other thing who stole people's Wi-Fi password, then this video is identical for it. So here, as you can see, that this is my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so as friends, whenever this is the method, that suppose you forget your Wi-Fi password, and you can easily retrieve your Wi-Fi password. Okay, so this is the step. So what I do here, just go to the control panel, okay, so just go to the control panel and select all control panels item, and go to the network and sharing center. Okay, and after that, just single click on there and go to the wireless properties, not in the properties, just select wireless properties and go to the security and select network and set just show characters passwords. Okay, so this is the step that how you can retrieve your wireless password. Actually friends, I previously told you that this is not any Wi-Fi hacking password or any other thing. Another thing is, I suggest you to, whenever you set up your Wi-Fi connection, you can make a screenshot. You can uh, you can read you can just read the password and just make a notepad file and save your password on there. So this is the step that how you can retrieve your Wi-Fi password. Another thing is, and you actually press this type of settings is not saved in this kind of Windows 10 settings options. You have to go to the control panel option. Okay, so you have to go to the control panel option and just find, because there are lot of option here and you did not find any. Actually friends, I previously try the retrieving your Wi-Fi password from here, but you can just manage known networks. So as you can see that, you just properties, you just select the, okay, so this is the things, but I hope you cannot see your Wi-Fi password from here. It's just you have to go to the control panel option. Okay, so and here you can set up your Ethernet connection or any other thing. So the main key step is the main key step is go to the control panel option, go to the all control panel option, select network and sharing center, and select, just click on there and select wireless properties and just security, just show passwords. Okay, so this is the step, and from that you just copy this and save in a separate notepad file. Okay friends, this is the step that how you can save your Wi-Fi password. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have any query regarding this, make sure that you, if you face any kind of issue regarding this, make sure that you comment down on this video comment section. And if you have any query regarding this, and you can tell all your problem and queries which you face, to retrieve your Wi-Fi password. So okay friends, uh, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe among with your friends. So okay friends, goodbye.